Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today, we got Mailbox Monday. Got a lot of stuff to go over. We got new resin stuff. We got a new box that came from round 2. Vintage kits I just added to the stash. A whole bunch of stuff, and we got a channel shout out. So, stick with me. All right, we're back. Well, first of all, we got a channel shout out to Mars Garage. He's got this cool channel. You need to check it out for yourself. He sent over a sticker and a nice postcard with some very kind words on it for me. Thank you very much, Mars. You got a great channel too, and keep up the great work, buddy. All right, well, the first one was sent over by round 2. This is the new Dodge 64 330 sedan. Now, this can be built a couple different ways. You got your drag version, some cool decals. It comes with 2 engines. You got your 383 V8, and they got the old Leaning Tower of Power Slant 6. Bulletproof engine, by the way. You got some nice stock hubcaps and tires. And this is going to be a cool build. So, thank you, round 2, for sending that over. We'll do a full build on that one. Let's get the next one. Another one from round 2. The next one's the 64 Ford Galaxy. This is a reissue. It came out several years ago, but they've cleaned it up and made some new improvements. They got new pad printed tires that comes with. Basically the same kit. They fixed some of the decals and the fit and finish. And this is a neat old kit. I've done one of these before on my series. Go back a few videos back. It's a blue one. It's kind of rusty, but it's a great kit. We're going to do a full build on this one too. And there's some other ones you can pick up. I believe this one just got reissued also. It's a great car. That's a Buick Skylark. And then the Ford Fairlane is an older issue, but still pretty easily found. So, this is a cool kit. We're going to do a full build on that one, too. As you can see, the box got crunched. UPS was kind enough to crunch the box up for us when they dropped it off. So, you'll see on the next one what happened. All right, this is another one from round 2. It comes in a cool tin box, which, as you can see, UPS did a number on that baby. Crunched it up. I'm going to see if I can try and straighten it with some body tools I got down in the garage. But really cool kit. It's got that orange one there. And I noticed it has an Arizona tag on there. I'm definitely going to use that when we build it. And then there's a green one. This is their postage stamp series. Pretty neat series. It all comes in these metal boxes. Really cool kit. Nice decals in there. This is going to be a full build too, so watch for that soon. Here's a vintage one. Now, this was acquired from a very good friend of mine's collection at a very, very reasonable price. $10 a piece is the one I bought. The next 3 I'm going to show you. My good friend Brad, right there, he passed away recently. He was an excellent modeler. This came from his collection. It's vintage, and it's in perfect shape inside. And his family was very nice to let our club go through his kits, and they priced them out very, very reasonable for us. And we were nice. It was nice of their family to do that for us. But this is a Ranchero. It's an old issue. I don't know. I would say early 70s. I don't know the exact year on this one. It doesn't have any stock pieces. It has like an 8-cylinder Chevrolet engine that comes with it. But pretty cool kit. It's all there. And I think we'll do a full build on this one too. I'm not sure what we're going to do with this yet, or hang on to it. We'll see. All right, get to the next one. Here's another one from my good friend Brad's collection. This is a very old issue too. It's all in there. It's a very cool kit. This is neat stuff. It comes with all those custom pieces, and it's just a cool kit. I really liked it, and I picked it up. I had to have it just because I thought the box art was so neat. So this is added to the collection here to go along with the rest of my stuff in the vault. Let's get to the next one. This is the last one I purchased at my good friend Brad's sale that his family had. This was a cool kit. Again, $10. It's mint. It's sealed even. Very cool kit. I've built this one before, the other version of it. Really cool stuff. So I think this is going to be a full build because I think it's a really cool kit. So we might go ahead and do that. You know, these coupes from Revell are great kits. Exciting stuff. All right. Now I got a couple real vintage ones we're going to throw in there just before we get to the resin stuff. Look at this one. Yeah, this is like a holy grail for me. I've been looking for this one since I bought it as a kid. This is neat stuff. I have that Oldsmobile, but I don't have the box for it. But now I have that Torino. Pretty neat. Cool stuff, and this is mint inside. There's the instructions. There, kind of cool. They put the instructions on the back of the package. Neat stuff. Yeah, this is a kind of a holy grail for me, the JoHan Torino. Neat. Let's get to another JoHan. Hang on. Just added this to the collection. Yeah, it's mint. Very good condition box, too. Look at that. Great stuff. This is cool. This is going in deep into the vault because I bought a lot of these as a kid for, you know, $3 to $5, whenever. And this one means a lot to me growing up. So we'll see how we're going to do this. I might throw this in the series. We'll see. All right, let me know what you think. Just comment below. We'll talk about it. All right, let's get to the resin stuff. I got a lot of neat stuff to show you on that too. All right, well, I got some cool 3D printed resin stuff from Iceman Collections. My good friend Joel lives here in the Phoenix area, and he sent over some of his product for me to show you. It's designed for these Chevrolet trucks that AMT just reissued. It's designed for this stuff. It should fit in there perfectly. Let's show you some of the stuff he sent over. Neat things here. Let's get it out. And there is his, he gave a sticker. Neat stuff. All right, well, here's like a bed right there. So that way you can lower it, channel it down over the frame. This is the short bed version for those Chevrolet pickups. Any of those AMT versions will work. And then it's got like the head rack thing behind the cab. That's cool. Very high quality here. Super high quality. I mean, man, this stuff is really sharp. Good stuff. And then here's now this is made for the under the hood for the Chevrolet because it doesn't have a lot of detail. And you can make it the custom version, put your own engine. Iceman Collections makes a lot of engines, custom blowers, all sorts of things. Neat stuff that Joel makes. And then here's some grills. Here's like a custom one. That's really cool. And again, these will fit directly onto those AMT trucks. And this is like the base model grill, you know, for the work truck series, the WT. So that's neat. And then there's another grill in here. And this is more like a deluxe grill, like early 90s style. I don't know the exact year of some of these, but I recognize them because I remember these new as a teenager. I remember these trucks. And then this goes in the center of that bed right there, so you can show the axle off or fill it in whenever you would like. Really nice stuff. Again, this is Iceman Collections. Neat stuff. It's made right here in America in the Phoenix metro area. So give Joel a shout and buy some cool stuff. He's got a lot of neat stuff on there, and it's readily available and it's high quality. All right, let's get to the next stuff. Okay, well, the next ones I want to show you are made by my good friend Chris. Again, he's in the Phoenix metro area. Now, he makes these he made them for me. The correct size diameter Ford pickup truck hubcaps. Now, these will fit the 67 to 79 Ford full-size truck, 66 Galaxies, all models, and the Bronco 66 to 77 Broncos. Now, it's hard to see on the resin here, but I got a picture of the hubcap on the real car. I'll show you it right there. And then here is them painted up on one of the Mobius Ford pickups. Right there. They fit on the Mobius wheel perfectly. He designed them that way, and they fit great. Now, he's not really in the business of resin making parts right now. I don't know if it's in the works or not. If you're interested in any, email me at theautisticmodeler@gmail.com. And I will get in touch with him. I won't share his information unless it's okay with him. So you'll have to email me first. And I'll be kind of the go-between, and then he'll decide what he wants to do. Okay, well, this is great stuff. Another great product here. And then I got one more to show you. Okay, well, I got one more resin. This is a 3D resin piece. Now, this is a Ford hubcap, and these were used on the Mustangs, Galaxies, Ford pickups, all sorts of things. And these are made by Basement Resins. I don't have his contact information. You're going to have to Googleize it. But a friend of mine back east bought a set, and he was excited and wanted to send me some to show off on my video. And it's hard to see, but the hubcap looks like that. And they look very good. I'm going to paint these up and probably put them on a Mustang or something like that. We'll see. Any of that product's like 67, through like 70 products. Mustangs, Torinos, any of that products line that Ford used that basement hubcap. Great looking stuff. Again, this is from Basement Resins. So go ahead and look them up and get your set. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Mailbox Monday. We'll try and do this every so often when I get new stuff in, and I'll show it off to you. Well, I'm glad you're here to show off my new stuff. And until next time, I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling. The Autistic Modeler is proud to be partnered with Round 2 Models, the makers of great kits from AMT, MPC, and Polar Lights. Get yours today.